Hi friends, I am Joel John, and in this video we are going to look at the YouTube video rating. I would have already informed you that for YouTube videos they will be getting rating from their viewers. How this happens is YouTube algorithm manually decided what are the YouTube ratings option to be given to which viewer. This is my another YouTube login, so I am getting the rating for my own video. That's the only time I can record a video. That's why I was waiting for making this video for long. You can see this. This is how the YouTube will ask you to rate the videos which you view. This will be all the videos you view. You won't be having the rating option to rate, but you'll be having the option to press the thumbs up. That itself is a symbol of appreciating and share, and also giving a comment. All those things give YouTube algorithm and information that if when you press the thumbs up itself, it says that you like the video. So you get more videos from that channel and more videos similar to that title, tags, the description, all those, the video content. So giving thumbs up not only adds the video on like, but also informs the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, what type of videos you like. This kind of rating is a privilege given to you as you are viewing this kind of videos often. And for this video, I'm asked to rate and I have given 5-star options. Single star is something which is the least count you can give. Not sure is something you don't like to vote. And when you give continuously not sure, you won't get future chance for voting. Okay. So always try to give a good rating for the viewers you like so that you get similar videos on high preference. So I'm going to give 5-star for this video of mine. And once I give the 5-star, please tell us more. What kind of information you got from this video? Is this video changing your life that good it is? I said yes. Is it informative? Does this gives you any information and are you getting any learning from this? I give yes. Is this calming? Calming means giving peace of mind to you. Mostly for people who look for sleep and meditation videos, they give calming. But I for here also I give calming because I want to increase the view of my videos. And enjoyable. Enjoyable means are you happy when you are seeing this video? Inspiring. Inspiring is it's so attractive. That's inspiring. Heartwarming, something the same, but with much exaggerating. For example, beautiful fish videos, beautiful flower videos are all used to be heartwarming. Whereas inspiring is inspiring speech, motivational video, self-development video, those kinds of things. Useful, are you benefited by this content? And if any of these doesn't, you don't feel of this video, you can write it as others, something which is not listed. So here, if you give undo, all these options will go out. So again, you have the not sure option. So again, clicking, and I am again selecting all the options. And this will come on the YouTube home screen when you scroll down. So always when you go to your YouTube home screen, scroll down and see what are all the options you get. And whenever you get any of my videos, I think my face won't be clear on this Zoom because I'm having some problem. I have to check the settings. And another one thing is in these videos, I used to edit my face with a lot of colorings. I don't use fake makeup on my face a lot, but you do a lot of coloring for me when it's recorded in video. So I used to look so white and so beautiful. That's about the difference. But all my videos will be like this only, mostly the recently recorded videos. So whenever you see a video of mine, or when you see the below lining as Joel John Jagier, you have right. That's my channel name. Give 5-star and select all the tick box so that I will get a very good rating. And for others, as I explained to you, rate them accordingly. Okay. Okay, friends, it's time to say bye, and it's your Joel John J signing off from you. Bye. And I have given submit. So it's showing us got it. Thanks for your feedback. And now I'm going to close the recording. So